guess what? Rainy days can be full of exciting adventures. Look at them having so much fun! Jumping in rain puddles is one of my favorite rainy day activities too. I folded a paper boat and watched it sail like a tiny captain across the rainwater. Listen carefully. Can you hear the rain, birds, and gentle wind singing together? After the rain, little snails come outside. They love cool, wet weather. Wow! The sunshine made a beautiful rainbow. How many colors can you count? When it rains outside, I love painting colorful rainbows and happy little clouds. I built a super cozy blanket fort. It feels like my own little castle. A rainy day is perfect for reading amazing stories with a cozy blanket. Rainy days are full of fun. Which activity would you try first? See you next adventure, friends!